the cool thing is also as a developer, and where it helps is it already has Prettier and ESLint installed. Hi everybody, today we're looking at Wingify, and it's an online app builder that lets you quickly build an app in their own like dashboard build area, and you can easily then export it, just edit the code as you want, and you can expand the code as well. Alright, so I've already gone ahead and created an account, and when you log in, you'll see this screen with your apps that you will build with it. So if we go ahead and create app, you can already see you can create your own blank app. You can create an app for a marketing agency or like a marketing website, you know, like the usual marketing stuff. You can create an agency website, which is okay. So here it is. You can also create an e-commerce website, and this is sort of like the really interesting part. And I'll quickly do a demo of this one soon for you as well. So we're going to look at the e-commerce now. Just give it a second to load. Okay, let's create it. Because this is probably the coolest part, actually. Basically, we have a fairly standard e-commerce page here. You can't, like, actually click on the... Like, it doesn't take you to other pages, basically. Like, you have to go navigate in a different way. I wonder if you can switch. Okay, yeah, you can. That's nice. Like, you can switch through the different stuff, like by just clicking these here. But anyways, so if we exit and if we click on it, oh yeah, I forgot. Like, we have to click on edit page. Wait, actually, if we click on edit design, that's really cool, actually. Like, you can change the fonts, the colors, the buttons. I didn't see this one before. So if we exit and if we click on edit page, okay, let's add an FAQ block here. Just a simple FAQ block. Okay, and that's it. And if we save changes, and if we exit, let's see what the the cart page looks like, because I think that's probably the coolest thing they have. Okay. So shipping bag. Okay, so it's like a cart summary thing. It's not really real products, but maybe in the future they can. Okay, so yeah, all fairly standard stuff. So I think this is the coolest one. Let's download the code for it. Let's see how it looks like, because this is like the most interesting part of like for Wingify. So if we go, we can also create a portfolio website as well. Just let's give it a second to load. You can also view like the different pages, how they look like that they've already pre-built. So if we go back to the e-commerce really quickly, and you can already see with e-commerce, you can see the next page as well. Here's the product page, and here's the category page as well. Let's look at the blank app. Let's see what we get with the blank, like with the blank template, and also let's see what their dashboard or their editing area looks like. I like the fact that it can load pretty quickly. Okay, so here it is. It's pretty standard stuff. If we click edit page, okay. Oh, this is nice. Like, you get a lot of components that are already built. You can also get like different types of navigations, basically. Let's say I want to add this one in here. That's really cool, actually. I wonder if it's possible. Sorry, like put the navigation to the right, to the left, and put the logo in the center. I wonder if it's possible to do that. Okay, it's not. But okay, it's not. It's not that kind of drag and drop. But okay. Let's see. What do I want to be able to do here? Okay, let's add this one. This is a nice touch, but again, I think I wonder if we can like switch it left, right, that kind of thing. Okay, let's add a footer in here. Yeah, let's have the gallery. Okay, yeah, this seems to be pretty standard. And if we go to page settings, okay, there's home. Let's see what happens if we get the dual clipped sidebar, content only. This is cool. Um, let's see if we get this fixed sidebar. This makes sense. And the single clipped one. Okay, so I'm gonna just go back to the classic layout because that's just what I care about. Okay, if we go back to blocks, it's really nice that you can already edit the different blocks. Uh, okay, so you can either have a page or an external link, but I have home. Okay, you can add an item as well, which is cool. You can delete items and it shows up immediately. You can add buttons. So let's say I just get rid of the item. Okay, I wonder, oh, okay, that's actually really cool. You can, okay, like the block is basically fixed, like you can't add more stuff to it. Okay, so if we go back, let's see what else we can do. Let's see if we can add a product here. Let's go crazy, basically. Um, okay. This is nice, actually. Like, you can already add in your pre-made stuff. And you can... Okay, so I think this is a pretty good idea about what this can do. If we save the changes really quickly, and if we... Okay, how do we actually exit from here? That's a really good question. Okay. Oh, okay, there's the exit button. Okay, it's nice actually. We can export it in NextJS, we can export it in Svelte or HTML. For today, I'm going to export it in NextJS because this is what I have already. I've gone ahead and already like opened the file, the downloaded folder, sorry, and I've like looked through the README. They used yarn to install it. I'm not really. I wish they had other options to use, like PNPM or NPM as well, because I think those are more widely used, but I digress. The cool thing I like about Wingify is that it already comes in with Next.js, React, TypeScript, Tailwind, Daisy UI. I'm not really sure if Daisy UI is used that much, but the most important thing, it comes with ESLint and Prettier, and today these two are sort of like the standard for any developer who's a serious developer. And this is really a great plus because a lot of packages, they don't come with this. So this is a really great plus. Seems to be fairly standard code and you can easily edit it yourself. The cart is here as well. Cart as well is cool, and this one is cool as well. Like, it's all fairly standard Tailwind stuff that I could have written myself as well. Okay, so if we look at the assets, again, like standard stuff, there's nothing interesting here. Okay, so let's look at the components. And I think this is the part that everyone cares about. Again, this is really great because all of the components seem to be like really standard, up to shape. This is what I want. Like, if I was interviewing someone for a job, this is the kind of organization that I want to see that they have. Like, they have already the sizes, like all of the stuff that makes something look good, they already have it here. Again, and this is like something that you can expand yourself, and this is really the beauty of Wingify. You can just export it, download it, and expand it yourself. It's just being slow. Okay, so if we go here, okay, seems to be there's like a problem here, but yeah, this is like how the page looks like, and it seems to be fairly compact. Like, it's not really functional because you can just expand it yourself. I wonder if we do this. Okay, it doesn't actually work, but that's fine. But yeah, it seems to give you like a pretty good like template that you can start and you can build on by yourself as well. And this is the really cool part because, again, so I think this is really great. So the last part we're going to look at is we're just going to look at the other components, and that's it for today. So overall, I really liked Wingify, to be honest. I think I would give it a 10, probably an 8 out of 10, because I think it does the job really well. It's fairly easy to use, and if you've seen throughout the video what it can do, you probably think it's probably a great way to start off like what you like a project. And the cool thing is also as a developer, and where it helps is it already has prettier and ESLint installed, and this just saves you so much time. And this just shows how much the people who build this really care about it. And you don't really see that this kind of a small detail as a developer. So yeah, if you're interested in this one, check it out. It's called Wingify.io. Thank you, everybody.